Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'll be doing the PUBG pattern test after MIUI 12 update. So I got my MIUI 12 update in the Poco X2 phone, and right now I decided to do the PUBG pattern test video. How many hours it can actually survive right now after MIUI 12 update. So if you're wondering what wallpaper I'm using currently here, so try to check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist, so you can find plenty of useful videos. So not only that, there are other battery and PUBG videos as well. So where I have used same kind of chart in various other smartphones, Poco F2 Pro, Redmi K20 Pro, and Redmi Note 9 Pro and other devices. So try to check that playlist of the PUBG battle test, so you can find very good videos related to the PUBG battle test videos, so you can, which will be very useful for you all in case if you're planning to buy any devices. So let's get started with the PUBG battle test videos, and also subscribe and share my videos, and also like, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making this kind of lengthy videos. So the condition which I'll be using the Wi-Fi and 50% brightness only. So not with the 100%, 50% brightness only. So this is another most requested thing which from most of my subscribers, that they asked me to use only 50% brightness, not with the 100%. So I decided to use only 50, and with the smooth and ultra settings, and the phone can actually play only smooth and ultra with the default settings without using any GFX tool. So right now I'll be not using any GFX tool, so I just want to play with the default settings with the Snapdragon 730G processor in the Poco X2, and here is the settings which you can play actually. And phone comes with a 4500 mAh of battery. And next is, let me change the display resolution to the 60 Hz, so not to the 120 Hz. I know it PUBG won't support, but still I just want to turn it back to the 60 to not affect that much of the battery as well. So these are the few things which you need to note down before knowing about the results. So 50% brightness and Wi-Fi and smooth and ultra. And here I got the floating stopwatch running continuously here, so which I'll be using throughout this test, floating stopwatch, so which will record the time actually while I am playing the game. So which is another good thing to get the accurate results. So right now you can see the temperature also is very low. So don't worry friends, even my surrounding temperature, right now I'm staying in Melbourne, and here it's the temperature is close to 15 degrees. So it's not that much cold even outside. Even the ambient temperature matters as well. Even my room temperature also is not that much high. As you can see, it's only 20 degrees surrounding. That's it. So not much. So I want to just mention it before only, because I don't want to see the comments saying the temperature is very low, why the temperature is not heating, why your device is not heating, and why my device is heating a lot. So this may be another factor also which will come into play, even the ambient temperature. So that's why I decided to mention it before only. So as I said, I'll be using with the smooth and ultra settings throughout the gameplay with 50% brightness and Wi-Fi connection. So let me disable the cable and start the stopwatch. So right now the stopwatch has been begun, and even you can see the brightness as well to 50% only. I set brightness. So let me continue the game. So again I'll be back after 2 hours of playing the gameplay, and let me show you the battery percentage and FPS count as well, and how much temperature will increase after 2 hours of playing continuously in the Poco X2 phone device. So try to subscribe to my channel for more interesting and similar kind of videos, and also don't forget to check the links in description also for the playlist of PUBG pattern test videos. So right now friends, it's been close to exactly 2 hours and 3 minutes of continuously playing the PUBG game in the Poco X2 device. So right now let me show you the battery percentage, how much it is. You can see a 65% at the moment after playing for 2 hours. So even if you can check the timing as well, 1:13. So I started the test around, I think, 11 o'clock. So overall it's 2 hours. So these are how much the battery got drained, and let me check the temperatures as well, how much it is. So 35 degrees, 37. So 37 and 35 overall. So it's not that too much heat, and definitely you can see for 2 hours the battery got dropped to the 65%. So again I'll be back after 2 more hours, and let's check how much the battery will be dropped by. And one thing you need to remember is that I'm using with the smooth and ultra settings, so that's the reason you can see the temperature is not going high, and even the battery is not draining a lot. So maybe if you use the smooth and extreme settings, the battery will be draining a lot in the Poco X2. So that is for next time I'll be trying to do. But overall, in my opinion, after the MIUI 12 update, I did not see much in terms of the draining of the battery. But I'll keep you posted in terms of battery backup of the Poco X2 later on in my usage. So again, I'll be back after 2 more hours. So as you can see, friends, it's been 3 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game in the Poco X2 phone, and sorry, it's been 4 hours exactly. So it's been 4 hours of playing the PUBG game here. Right now it's 3 o'clock, you can see here. And let me even show you the battery percentage. It's 28% right now. So after playing for 4 hours, the battery decreased to 28 clearly. And let me even check the temperatures as well. So right now this stopwatch will get reset for every 1 hour, so that's why you can see like that. So the temperature is around 39 degrees, so slightly high. As you can see, friends, so look, close to 38 degrees. So again, I'll be back once the battery gets close to 5%, so I can record the video and we'll get to know how long you can actually play the PUBG game in the Poco X2 phone after the MIUI 12 update. So overall, friends, after 5 hours of close to 5 hours playing the Poco X2 with the PUBG game, so let me show you the screen on time and everything, all the usage. So right now the battery percent is of 10%, as you can clearly see. So 10%, I thought of showing you exactly how much time I did play the PUBG game continuously. So let me show you the battery usage statistics. As you can see, so standby mode was 0 because I was playing continuously the PUBG game only. So 4 hours 53 minutes and 10% the battery. So here you can see the usage as well, the screen on time, how much it is, 4 hours and 53 minutes. And I did not even charge the phone anything, or I did not even stop using the phone. It was continuously running the PUBG only. So as you can see, details as well, everything, overall details about the screen on time and each and everything. So these are overall battery drain test with the PUBG playing with a Smooth and Ultra after the MIUI 12 update. As you can see, friends, MIUI 12 update in the Poco X2. So this much of time you can actually play, maybe close to 5 hours you can play continuously with a 50% brightness and with the Smooth and Ultra settings. And for more videos on the battery drain regarding the Poco X2 after updating to the MIUI 12, so try to check the links in description also for the playlist of Poco X2, so you can find very useful videos related to this smartphone. So that's it for the video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.